Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a frustrating Google Sheets issue, when the Ctrl F find function stops working properly. Whether you're getting no response, error messages, or the find dialog won't appear, I've got you covered with these practical solutions. Let's start with the quickest and most effective fixes. Find function issues often stem from browser conflicts, keyboard problems, or simple Sheets glitches. First, let's try the simplest solution: refresh your browser. Press Ctrl F5, or CMD plus Shift plus R on Mac, to perform a hard refresh. This often resolves temporary glitches that might be affecting Google Sheets functionality. If that doesn't work, let's check if the issue is with your keyboard. Test the Control key with other functions like Ctrl+C, copy, to ensure the key itself is working properly. Also try using the menu alternative. Click Edit, Find and Replace from the Sheets menu bar. Now, let's clear your browser cache specifically for Google services. Press Ctrl+Shift+Delete to open the clearance dialog. Select All Time for time range, check Cookies and other site data, and Cached images and files, then click Clear Data. Sign back into Google Sheets and test the Find function again. If you're still having issues, let's try disabling your browser extensions. Some ad blockers, productivity tools, or other extensions can interfere with Google Sheets keyboard shortcuts. Temporarily disable them and see if Ctrl+F starts working. For persistent problems, try using Google Sheets in an incognito or private browsing window. Press Ctrl+Shift+N, Chrome, or Ctrl+Shift+P, Firefox, to open a private window and test Sheets there. If it works in incognito mode, the issue is likely with your browser profile or extensions. If the problem continues, check your Sheets permissions. Ensure you have edit access to the spreadsheet, as some keyboard shortcuts may be limited in view-only mode. As a last resort, try copying the data to a new Google Sheets document. Sometimes specific spreadsheet corruption can affect functionality. Select all cells, Ctrl+A, copy, Ctrl+C, create a new Sheets document, and paste, Ctrl+V, your data. I know how frustrating it is when essential keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+F stop working, especially when you're working with large spreadsheets. One of these solutions should restore your Find functionality. For most users, clearing cache or checking extensions does the trick. If this guide helped you fix your Google Sheets Find function, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more productivity app troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.